What's up guys, welcome to OMG. Today we'll be seeing 3 best AdSense alternatives. Have you ever got frustrated because your AdSense account is not approved? You're not alone. I have solutions for that. Here you can earn a lot of money from these AdSense alternative which I'm going to tell you in this video. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Number 1 is AdSterra. AdSterra is one of my favorite website. As you know, it's another platform alternative to AdSense. In AdSterra, you can instantly get your website approved. Your website it doesn't require to have a perfect domain name, or you don't have to purchase any professional domain name to get started in AdSterra. Just go on to publisher. Starting off with sign in with AdSterra, you have to click on publisher. Because you are a publisher, you are going to put those ads on your website and publish it. So click on to publisher, or the monetize tab which is below A, or else you can even register with AdSterra and then you can modify your your account. So sign up now, or whatever you have to give. And here, as you can see, they have shown you how they are going to pay you money. You are just going to register and put in your website for review, which will take around 24 hours. As far as I know, my website got approved within 24 hours. So yours will also be getting approved within 24 hours. So after that, what you have to do is click on the dashboard and then go to your website tab, where you will be able to see 6 types of ad in AdSterra, which is like banner ad, rich media ad, text ad, pop-ups and pop under ads, application or widgets, and custom made ad. So you have to click any one of them, and then you have to take those you have to get approved for that first. So you have to get approved for that specific ad, and you will get a unique code, and then you have to paste those HTML code or tags in your website, and instantly you will be getting ad. Your CPM rate will differ according to number of visitors in your blog. So anyway, you will be getting paid. And as far as payment, the dates are 1 and 2 and 16 and 17 of every month. Payments are automatic, you don't have to click on anything. Minimum payout for PayPal and Bitcoin is $100. That is the threshold. You have to get $100 every month during the date 1 and 2 and 16 and 17 to get your payment in your account. Minimum payout for WebMoney and Paxum is $5. Minimum payout for Wire is $1,000. So wire transfer will get 3 to 4 business days to reflect in your account, and PayPal will charge around 2 to 5%, and WebMoney will be charging 0.8%. Bitcoin, there is no charges as it is a cryptocurrency, and Paxum will $1. Wire transfer $50. So that's all for AdStar. I think you can just give it a shot. I think you will be earning a lot from this if you are having a good traffic in your website. So you can just try it out. If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. Number 2 is Propeller Ads. We all even know about MediaNet, which is also an AdSense alternative, but then they are very high quality, and they also require a lot of quality in your blog also to get approved. It's same as AdSense only. The process will be same, but according to this one, Propeller Ads is also nice. It will also pay out well, but one small disappointment, like cons, if you can say, one small con is like they also serve adult ads, which is not recommended for most of the blog, which is not actually suitable for every blog out there. So be aware of that. These also serve pop under ads, native direct ads, interstitial mobile ads, dialogue ads, push up ads, banner ads, push notification ad, everything for mobile also. To getting started with this one is like same as the last one, AdSterra. You have to sign up, go in for publisher, and then click on complete your profile, leave your website URL for approval. They will also be getting back to you within 24 hours or 48 hours. After that, you have to click on to the codes they have given for your website and just paste it as a HTML in your website. I think in the header body, I'm not sure about it. I haven't done that because I'll be pasting it directly to my blogspot. I have just done it, and then you will be getting your ads instantly. The rates will be varying according to your geographical location, and it may affect according to it. In India, it's actually the ads number of ads are very low, so the CPM rate might get down as well. According to your traffic, it will change. As far as the payout, it is as minimum as $25. Number 3 is pop ads. Pop ads registering is similar to other websites. You have to just sign in and create your profile and get your website approved. As far as the payment method, the threshold will be $5 for PayPal, $20 for Payoneer, $2,000 for wire transfer, and $5 for Payza. Talking about the types of ad available in pop ads are pop under ad, pop up ad, tab up ad, and tab under ads. So overall, all the ad types will be looking similar only, like pop under ads. And as far as the advantages, they are very easy to use, and they are very quick in registration and getting your website approved. Their CPM and CPV rates are really high, and you will get a good amount of payout. And the payout is like, the threshold is just $5. You'll be getting your payouts whenever you reach the threshold, and it is daily. It is not like the Adstara, which is 15 days once. So this will be a better option, and the bidding system is also good, and I guess they also have referral program. Now, talking about the disadvantage, the main drawback of pop ads is they are not serving for all the geographical location. They are specific, so most of the ads won't be available for many countries now. But they might improve in future as well. Another big disadvantage, like as a whole in all the three, Adstara, Propeller ads, and pop ads, is they are more redirecting. When you actually open your website, they might redirect a lot, so it is annoying for your audience. Try to keep a minimal amount of ads so that your website won't be redirecting a lot. So that's all for now. Thank you and bye.